Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really cool unboxing video for you guys today. It is of the Sony E10. This is a great starter camera for anyone who's looking to make maybe YouTube videos, vlogs, or stream. I got a really good deal on Best Buy to get the camera as well as the Sony vlogging kit accessory pack that comes with, you know, a little stand and a little case and things of that nature. So we're gonna get right into the video and you guys can take a look for yourselves. So there you have it, guys. I hope that video was helpful. You know, if anyone's looking to getting the camera, you know, that was the Sony E10 for you guys. Can't wait to shoot some content for you guys and kind of show you in some future videos. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and check out new videos every Wednesday.